for go America, which was 70 I told her to go pan 6-month program. The woman name of the whole of the blood clot money as God live it. I'm not tell the life on the woman. I'm not tell the life on her. So when you come and I come make up and look a story, them when you talk facts and talk. Cause you can't tell me my story for me. You can't tell me what me do and tell me what me go through. The woman name of the whole of the money. Name of the whole of the money. Name of the whole of the $70,000, and then him have to take out more money again and give to her for she for go look about our 6-month program, for go embassy, for get her visa, for get drive, for go she go for buy suit, for buy ponytail and them something there. You hear me say? And last year Christmas, nobody no call him, nobody no send not even $50 go give him, nobody no send nothing at all go give him. And all have to tell me say, me this and my family no like me and my family. I distance myself from them because I see what them is and I see what they are about. I don't want to mix myself with people like that. People like that will kill you. I mean, I wonder when people like that, them bad mind, them corrupt. What me I go on them for? What me I go on them for? Eh? If me have my daughter and me have man a fuck beside my daughter, me don't want no nothing more myself. First of all, I would even think through that with my pretty pan bed. You have sex with man and your daughter there, and daughter is about 8 years old. An 8 years old child is a big child. If you have sex beside that child, you can't do it beside a little baby who don't know nothing at all, but that big pitney. You don't feel like selling man will try out for the pitney too. Eh? Eh? The man feel me up. Me just stay in the bed, you know, guys. Me stay in the bed, you know, guys. I just feel the man a touch me up. I touch me up. I'm asleep, you know. I'm telling me, I say, like me, I try, and the man a touch me up. The man a touch me up. The man a touch me up. Yeah. And when me tell her, she said, oh, it will never happen again, or something like so. Yeah. I'm just saying, when my mother see me with my mother want it. My father used to pack barrel, send down from America with beer ties. As me say, me always have with ties. Guys, my father, me respect him to a certain point, but me not respect him to another set of point. If you get me mean. Me remember the good way him do. Me not forget when nobody do for me. I saw me stay. Yes, one time I pick him, my father pack barrel, pay name brand clothes. Me no wear cheap clothes when me a pick him. If I want thing about me wear the most expensive clothes when I was a child. Me no know cheap clothes. And when my father stopped saying barrel, me start see my mother got Chinese go buy some cheap slippers and some look at this. A beer platform, J-Lo, Hilary Duff, Disney stuff. All-Star, me get All-Star at Jamaica before all of the little people them get All-Star. So I know about them such a long time. My father send me to prep school and my mother take my father money and send me to blood clot primary school and tell my father family them lies and me not gonna blood clot Shabian prep. My father send me to Shabian prep from grade 1 to blood clot grade 6 and me never know what Shabian prep they up to this day. Me don't know what that prep school they there. You know say? She take every dollar of mine, man. Take the man money and mine, man. I work this man, I fuck out her all. Every week, every other week is a different man. The amount of stepfather when I could remember me they have. Me they have them, me see them and they come fuck her one at a time. The man fuck her out. Come there and fuck her and left. And it's like the whole of the pitney them could have hear like outside a player. And the whole of the pitney them could have hear the woman in their ball to all the man a fuck her. Me embarrass me say shame kill me to blood clot. The man come fuck out the woman and the whole of we out there play and hear the woman a fucking at the house. Me say me shame. My blood clot shame.